Hi everybody. I thought I'd just show you that Haya have released their new conversion of the Centurion to a AVRE Royal Engineers tank with the 152mm gun. Uh, the big one, the bunker buster. It's got the Facine log attachment on the front. The dozer blade is fully CNC'd aluminium, which is really cool. Um, and the barrel is you can just twist the barrel off because it's screw on, so it's really easy conversion. You can get this one which is pre-built, so you don't have to do anything to it. It all comes wired up and radio controlled, or you can get a kit form to backdate your Centurion Mark III. You can see here the hull has been changed as well. Here's the CNC barrel, the dozer blade, the log for scene holder, the actual turret basket, which could come in handy for a lot of other Centurions. I'm hoping it releases it for other bits. There's the rear end as well you put on. Here's the actual dozer blade attachment, the CNC one, with the gearbox underneath, which all looks extremely sturdy, and it's got metal gears inside there, which should mean it will last. So I think it's a really cool design. And here, look, I mean, that looks really nice, doesn't it? And it can be, I might get one at some point. It could be fun driving it around and making holes in the ground. Here it is, all put together. So most of the stuff's aluminium apart from the Facine log holder, which is fair enough because it should be right. But yeah, so the detail's quite good. The cost of the ready to run version is £799.98. Here you can see the prototype designs with the 3D printed versions, but this is all metal like it says in the picture. For the kit to fit onto your Centurion Mark III is £249.98. So that includes the dozer blade, basically everything you can see on the tank that's different. The rear end, and like I say, the turret basket could be really useful, and the rear end. Here's the rear end applied. I'm not quite sure how you put the tank back together again because it goes over the screw holes, but I might have to find out about that. And yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's been painted. And like I say, I have nothing to do with Haya. I like what Andrew does, but he doesn't give me anything for free, and he doesn't, I would find anything like that really distasteful because one, how would you know if I'm telling you the truth? And two, I don't see why you should ask companies for freebies. It's their living. Nuts. Anyway, here's the instructions. You can find this all on the Hire website if you want to have a look. This probably comes with a ready to run and also how to fit it. And yeah, so kudos again to Hire. They've come out with something a bit different. There's working video of it on the Hire Facebook page, so go over there, drop in, and have a look at it, and it's really cool. Look, have a nice week, you guys, and I thought you might just like to see this. Thanks for watching.